Hello, this video is going to review how to review and sign a SPAR via eBuilder with American States Utility Services. First, to review the workflow of a SPAR, which is a subcontractor performance assessment report. This assessment originates from ASUS. We are going to score and comment on this subcontractor and this specific subcontract in the following areas: performance of work, cost controls, subcontract management, timeliness, and accuracy of performance and reports. This assessment is typically completed by your capital project supervisor and then also reviewed by a subcontract administrator and environmental health and safety prior to your review. After the internal review is completed, it will then be sent to the subcontractor via eBuilder to review and sign. The subcontractor is then going to review the SPAR average rating, all of the assessment sections, and any narrative comments provided. The subcontractor will be requested to input comments and mark that SPAR as signed. If the total score is 70% or below, which is an unsatisfactory score, or if there is any safety findings, a corrective and preventative action report must be included in the response. After the subcontractor selects that this SPAR is signed, it will then be sent off to ASUS for final review and filing, which it will go to the utility manager for final review, and then it will go for filing. If there is a corrective and preventative action report included, this also has to be deemed acceptable before moving forward. Now we are going to go into eBuilder and walk through the SPAR. Because ASUS starts the assessment, you will only have a SPAR available to you after the assessment is complete. You will receive an email notification from the system when there's a SPAR ready for your review and signature. You can either follow the link in the email and enter in your login credentials and the SPAR will appear, or you can log into eBuilder using the gov.e-builder.net website. If you're unsure of your login credentials, feel free to reach out to an ASUS team member and we would be happy to assist. After you've logged into the system, you will see the SPAR on your home page under the Workflow in your court section. Anytime there's an action required for you in the system, it will appear in your Workflow in your court. As you can see, we have SPAR-1 on this sample ready for your signature. You simply select the name and then the subcontractor performance assessment report, the SPAR, will appear on the pop-up screen. You will see the SPAR header information at the top of your screen, which will show your subcontract name, address, point of contact, contact information. On the right side, it'll have your contract number, the contract value, the period of performance, and it will also show if this report is an interim or final rating. In most cases, you will only receive a final rating, but when subcontracts extend for long periods of time, we may include an interim rating for that subcontract. Additionally, you will see an average percentage. In the specific example, based on the rating that ASUS provided, this subcontract received a 98.6 average rating. As you continue down the screen, you'll see in sections 13, 14, 15, and 17 is the actual assessment. The reviewer is requested to enter a not applicable or a 1 through 5 in each of the sections for the SPAR rating, with a 1 being unsatisfactory and a 5 being exceptional. So you will see a score in each of these sections. Then as you continue down the screen, you will see in sections 17, 18, 19, and 20 are the ASUS internal review that has already been completed for this SPAR. And feel free to read any of the assessments or comments provided by those individuals. As a subcontractor, you're going to be requested to enter any comments in section 21. If you receive a score of 70% or below, you will have to upload your corrective and preventing action document by either dragging and dropping the file at the bottom of the screen or selecting Browse Computer and finding your file. After you enter your comments in section 21, and if the review is satisfactory, then you can scroll to the top or the bottom of the page. You will select the signed action and then click the Take Action button. At that point, after you select Take Action, it returns back to ASUS for final review and approval, and you have done everything you need to do to review this subcontract performance assessment report and provide any feedback. If you have any questions on the subcontractor performance assessment report, the contact, your rating, or how to complete this process, feel free to reach out to an American States Utility Services representative, and we will be happy to assist you. Thank you.